coastal flood warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. AKDT Wednesday. What? Significant coastal flooding expected to continue, with water levels dropping. Where Yukon Delta coast? When? Until 7 a.m. AKDT Wednesday. Impacts. Low-lying property including homes, businesses, and some critical infrastructure will be inundated. Some shoreline erosion may occur. Additional details: water levels have peaked and will drop to near the normal high tide line by Wednesday morning. Precautionary preparedness actions: take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth.